Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Good morning, Alan. How are you?
Yeah, good morning, Scott.
Now, actually, you've had more than one good experience at First Republic.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you tell everybody? What did you do? What was the first time? What did we do for you?
Refinance my house at 6 on Rose Street in Massapequa.
Okay, and that was in 2006?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And what were you trying? What did you accomplish by refinancing at that time?
I got a lower mortgage rate, lower the percentage.
Did you pay off any credit card debt?
And pay off expenses such as credit card and student loan for my daughter.
Okay, so you took care of all that back in 2006. Now you came back to us again.
Yeah.
What was the main purpose? Share with everybody the main purpose, now that you had your credit cards and everything taken care of in 2006. When you came back to John Fahim recently, what was your main focus and goal?
First, to lower the rate since 2006 dropped, and also to get a loan to do some renovation on my house.
So basically, you took cash out and you lowered your interest rate.
Both, yeah.
Why don't you tell everyone what rate you got?
5.6.
Actually, 5.5, but
5.5. Sorry.
Yeah, and that was a conventional loan.
Yeah.
That's great. And would you share with everybody how much cash you took out?
Well, to pay off the mortgage, the existing mortgage, and with cash in hand, it came up to $180,000.
Okay, how much cash in hand did you walk out with from the closing?
$48,000 and change.
Okay, $48,000, and that was after financing all the closing costs, right?
Yes.
You didn't have to bring a whole bunch of money to the closing.
No.
Everything was financed, and you walked out with close to $48,000. At the end of the day, you took out $48,000. What happened to your monthly payments?
It went up a little.
How much? Do you know?
By about $300.
Okay, so you got $48,000, and you only had to have your payment go up by $300 a month.
Yes.
Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
And what are you doing with that money?
I'm renovating my house by putting on another room.
Okay, so you're going to increase the value of your home.
Yeah.
So, tell us about working with John Fahim.
Yeah, go ahead. He's a very, I think I'm getting echoes, but I'll continue. He's a very personable person, business-like, friendly, and make you feel very comfortable. And
you came back again to deal with him. So you were able to take advantage of two of the main benefits of refinancing. The first time was debt consolidation. The second time, majority of what you were gaining was lowering of the rate, but getting cash out.
Yes.
So you're a good example for people out there, and you got a conventional loan. You didn't have to go with the FHA, so I'm sure you didn't have a PMI insurance.
No.
So you got the best possible deal that we could give you.
Yes.
Now, John, in dealing with John, did he come to your house to do any of the paperwork during both closings?
No, I met with him at the office.
Okay.
On off hours, and he did it. He did most of the paperwork with me.
He stayed late.
Yeah.
Okay, because he's frequently known for doing house calls.
As a matter of fact, he met with me on a Sunday.
On a Sunday, okay.
Yeah.
He makes himself available. I want everyone to know, by the way, that John Fahim is in the office right now. He's in as we're speaking at extension 346. You don't have to wait till we're done talking. Call 718-380-0006, extension 346 right now. Ask for John Fahim. John Fahim did a great job for Mr. Frazier 2 times in a row. 2 different refinances in the span of about less than 3 years. And the man is very happy, and he's a great example for so many homeowners out there who can do these kind of things. A lot of people don't realize. Mr. Frazier, have you talked to friends and relatives about what you've done?
Yes, and we'll be referring them to First Republic and specifically to John Fahim.
And are they surprised at what you were able to accomplish?
Yeah, yes.
The mathematics and the benefits of refinancing is phenomenal. I hope people who are listening will learn from your example, because you are a true success story 2 times over. And I want to congratulate you. And I'll look forward, hopefully, in the future to getting. We don't have much time right now, but in the future, hopefully, we can get more into the success stories that you had. Because again, you're a success story 2 times over, showing people the 2 main benefits of refinancing. So I want to thank you and wish you a great day.
And thank you. Okay.
Take care.
Bye.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.